So, something that I want to talk about, not just to you, but also to people watching, especially parents watching, this is again something that we always talk about is you're not angry at a person, but you're angry at something that happened because of a person, because of a situation, because of a circumstance, not at a person. Because if you say you're angry at Amma's now also sitting in front of you, but you're not angry now. But if I do something that triggers you, yes, the anger comes out. So we can never say that somebody else is responsible for the emotion. We are ourselves responsible for that emotion, which I tell you all the time. No, you didn't make me angry, Maya. Amma was overwhelmed, Amma was stressed, because of which Amma got angry. I keep telling that all the time. No, that's mainly so that you understand that nobody else is responsible for our emotions. We are responsible for our emotions. Otherwise, what will happen? We'll constantly keep blaming others. It's because of them that my life is not good. Because of them that my career is not working. It's because of them that I'm not able to set boundaries. That's never the case. Lie. Yeah, they are themselves responsible for their emotions. But I'm really glad that you are open with me, honest with me. We can have this conversation with each other because this is pretty much how everybody feels when they are angry. They want to shout, they want to yell, they want to use certain words. But we should all learn methodologies where we can process that anger in a healthy way. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ we will hurt others, we might hurt ourselves. And there is a very popular Buddhist quote or something that I have read somewhere. If you're angry at somebody and then let's say it's a hot coal, if you compare the anger with hot coal and then you keep it with you all the time, it's you burning yourself with that. Nothing else is happening to the other person. Which means if you have anger, it is totally valid to express it or bring it out, but in healthy manner. അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ.